Hope you guys are doing well. Today, my agenda regarding how we can set up a billing alert in AWS so that you can prevent yourself or you can save the cost in free tires account. For that, I have created one small PPT. So let's jump to that PPT. For this, creating the billing alert, what all service and which all step we need to follow. So I have just note down these are the agenda like what all service basically we need like Amazon CloudWatch to set up a billing alert. Then we need AWS SNS. Like SNS is the simple notification service we need, and so on step. Like I will take you, I will give you the demo in the live practical demo. Then you will get to know more clear on this all this topic. So what we need: Amazon CloudWatch service, billing alert, AWS billing threshold. We need to set up like how much amount. After that, you should get the alarm, and then we need to create an alarm, AWS free trials alarms, and then what kind of currency you want in your billing, like INR, USD, and then we need another service, SNS, the simple notification service. I will take you in this next slide more details on that. And then we need to confirmation like if in that we need to create a topic basically in SMS, and if someone subscribe the topic, then that confirmation also we need to verify that confirmation. So first, let me clear on this little bit about what is the CloudWatch basically in AWS. So CloudWatch is a one service that basically we used for monitoring service, like what all services we are using, like EC2 instance or any Lambda or any database services or anything, whatever we are using. That service basically for monitoring purpose, like the service is running up and or running properly or not. Like I said today demo, like a billing alert, right? If you cross your threshold, then we can get the alert. Or if you want to trigger any Lambda function by CloudWatch, that also you can do. Or if you want to monitor how much space basically utilizing or EC2 instances running or not, those everything we can monitor by using this CloudWatch. And this CloudWatch, there are different kind of like alarms, okay, different type of is there. So while I will take you in that AWS you console, then I will go through that also. Then in the CloudWatch, in the free tier side, there are some limitation. It's not like that unlimited. You can put the alarms and unlimited API request. You can do not like that. So there are some threshold value like how much you can use that. So you can see like only 10 Amazon CloudWatch like you can use and 10 alarms per matrix. Okay. And then these are the API, like how much data, log data. Basically, it used to store the log data also. Like it used to, by default, suppose we are running only in Lambda, AWS Lambda, right? So that for the Lambda, by default, it used to create a like logs, like what is happening to that particular service, right? So you can check the logs, like if there any error or exception or anything. So that by logs, you can go through that logs, you can analyze that. So that also like some features, some limitation is there. Only 5 GB you can utilize. Beyond that, you have to pay. So those thing is there. So how you should get the alert if your threshold value is reached. So that's our today goal. So for that, this thing we need to use. And then here, like in free tiers, you can use 10 free alarms and 1000 free email notification. Okay, not much more than that. If beyond that it's go, then it should be chargeable. Okay. And then what is SNS? SNS is the like a simple notification service. Basically, it's like if you know like Kafka or those kind of thing, right? Notification like topic here basically is a topic, and which all subscribers subscribe the topic. Whenever the publisher basically produce some message to that topic, then subscriber will get automatically. So those kind of mechanism basically is AWS providing, that is like SNS, simple notification service. So we'll use this one for our alert purpose. Okay. And then a publisher basically in the SNS topic side, it will publish that message, or the publisher and subscriber basically like in the particular topic, right? Whenever publisher is publishing some message to that SNS topic side, any service like SMS, email, HTTPS or SQS or Lambda, whatever subscriber, there are many kind of subscriber will be there. So which all service will subscribe your topic, those service will get As soon as the publisher publish the message to the topic, it will get automatically like a stream, like a live streaming kind of thing. Okay, it will get like there will be no delay. Then let's go to that UI AWS console. So how we can set up the billing alert, I will take you here. So for that, I need to first go to profile, then billing dashboard. The billing dashboard, billings, bills. Okay. Sometime that billing it used to not come some region. So we need to change that region also sometime. So let me switch to in Virginia. Okay. Then go to billing dashboard. Okay. Then here I need to billing preference. Okay. Here I need to set up which email address I want to get the notification. Okay. Then save. And here two kind of, one is a free tires alerts and receive alert. This is also one kind of alert which another features like it will like this is the one free tires and receive the billing alert. Okay. And once it is done, then I need to go to CloudWatch. Here, right? Once you set up this, right? Here, actually, you can see like manage billing alert console, right? Basically, this will take you that CloudWatch console. Actually, you can go either by this way or you can search here CloudWatch in the in the search box. You can search the CloudWatch. Anything is fine. In this, we have a billing, right? I was talking about it, alarms or like this kind of alarms is there. Okay, and then I need to go to billings. This billing tab, right, guys, do keep in mind sometime, right, in other region it will not display in the CloudWatch. Suppose if I go here, switch to suppose specific, let me just quickly show you. You can see, right, billing is not there. So please switch to like US East West or like Virginia or Oregon. Just switch your region so that you can see that billing alert in the CloudWatch. Okay. Just keep in mind, sometime suppose if you are in a Pacific or somewhere, you could see that billing, then you will think like for your account, maybe billing is not there. It's not like that. It will be there. Just to switch a region. Okay. Here from here corner, you can switch the region. Okay. And like I was explaining, right? You will get 10 free alarms and 1000 free email notification each month as per AWS free tiers. Okay. 12-month free tiers. Okay. So we need to go to billings and then you need to create alarms here. Okay. And I was explaining, right, that amount currency here you can change. I based on your requirement, you can change that currency also. Okay. Now I am keeping USD only, and period also you can check like a maximum how much time, like time period you should get the alarm, like 6 hour period. In between 6 hour you will get that alarms. Okay. You will get the notification basically. And here condition like threshold condition, basically like here two type of condition, static or this one more is there. So I will choose the static default one, and this is like a greater than, so greater than or equal, lower than or not. So I will go to greater than or equals. I will change this one, and suppose I will keep $1. Okay. If my service users is reached to $1, or if you can keep a $10 also, up to you how you want to set up this threshold value. So now I am keeping $1 only. Once it's reached to $1, it will give the alarm to me. Okay. Go to the next. Then here too, I was telling you, right, there are different kind of alarms we can get. In alarms or okay or insufficient data, we can select based on. So I am just selecting alarms only. I will take you more details while I will give you more demo only particular CloudWatch that time. And I am thinking in my next subsequent video, first I will give the overview of the AWS all the services first. Okay, then I will go one by one service, deep dive and live practical. Okay, then create topic. We need to create a topic like I was just explaining, right? Whenever you are SNS, right? SNS will first we need to create a topic, then publisher will publish that notification that topic, and from the topic subscriber will get that, right? So you can give a name, any name, suppose billing something like that, or billing alert, whatever it is. Okay, or maybe you can give SNS. This is the topic, right? SNS topic. Let's see. Up to you, whatever name you can give here, and which email should this is the endpoint, right? Who is we need to subscribe, right? And there like many email address we can give as you need. By here it's mentioned, right, comma separate list, we can specify here email. So now I will give only one, but you can, if you want multiple email by comma separate, you can put that multiple also. In create topic. Okay, topic is created. Now go to next. Alarm name. Okay, billing, billing, alarm, AWS, something like that. I am, or demo, something like that I am giving now. Then go to next. Okay, it's just like a preview. What all details we gave, right? Those details is coming. I gave 6 hours, and then threshold value one greater than or equals. Once it is to $1, it will notify to me. Then alarm name, then notification topic, then create alarm. Now alarm is created, right? And if you check here, stated insufficient data, endpoint, a warning. Once you go here, now go to SNS. Let's go to the topic. One topic is created. Um, Now, if you see here, right, pending confirmation state. One subscriber is there, right? sambu.java@gmail.com. So until and unless you confirm this pending, so it won't get the notification to this email address. So for that, what I need to do, I need to go to my email address and I will get some notification here. So I just need to confirm. So subscription is confirmed. So now here status will get changed. Just refresh this. Is confirmed. Now, whenever that threshold value will reach to $1, I will get the notification to my email address. There are multiple way we can get, like email or SMS. So anything you can configure. So just in my this demo, I just explained by email notification by SMS. Okay. So hope this session will help to you guys. And if you like this session, please subscribe my channel and share with your friend so that it will really motivate to me to create more video like this in future. And please stay tuned. In my next video, I will give you the overview, all at least basic some service, not all the service. In AWS, many services there. At least some basic need service I will give you overview so that you can use in your project or for your learning. Thanks. Bye.